It's questions like these that men have asked themselves since the dawn of time. When that moment arises, am I going to be ready to go? Is it the size that matters? Or is it how you use it? Maybe your girlfriend's going on and on about how big their ex's was, and you want to know, do you measure up? If you remind yourself on a constant basis that, yeah, it's small, but it packs a punch, you might be ready to finally discover the truth. All men can be created equal, but that's only if you purchase your firearms at Blue Dog Arms and Defense in Spearman, your handgun specialist with an unbelievable product line, a knowledgeable staff, and the missing piece that you'll need to feel completely secure when that moment arrives. If you experience a sense of arousal lasting longer than 4 hours, you probably just bought a gun from Blue Dog Arms and Defense, and it means you're locked, cocked, and ready to go. Blue Dog Arms and Defense, 1 mile south of Hansford Hospital on Roland Street in Spearman.